One idea that's working for me and my team is I had them look at all of the other podcasts in my field, all of the other podcasts in my space, and you can do the same. So I had my virtual assistants go in and look at all of the podcasts that are out there, look at YouTube videos, find out which ones are popular, which titles are popular, which type of content is getting a lot of downloads, a lot of views, a lot of plays. And they pulled a list of ones that they think, and then I went through that list and double checked them, took a couple of them out, moved a couple of them to the top as a priority. Like this would be a great one to start with. And then they created from, white labeling and black labeling, blacklisting things, getting rid of some that they liked, but I didn't, or moving to the top or to the end, other options. We created an entire list of literally more than 100 different topic ideas, and they put it into a Google Drive, a Google folder for me, where whenever I say, because I don't like to do anything or touch anything or know where anything goes for some reason. So I'll just say this person on my team, her name's Jen. She handles my podcast and she handles a lot of other of our clients' podcasts. And so I'll just say, Jen, do you need any episodes? And every now and again, she'll say, yep, you've got a couple of episodes right now, but in 2 weeks, you're going to need some. And so I want to record them early. So I'll just say, Jen, just send me that list of ideas that have been proven, of other people's ideas, other people's topics. And no, we're not going to plagiarize, obviously, but we look at that content and we put our own spin on it. So that's number one. Number one is you can do your research, you do your due diligence, go in and check out, what do they call that in the military? Reconnaissance, my recon. So we go and check out what's available, what's out there, and then we put it in a document where it's all in order. And for us, this is a document that's live all the time through Google Sheets. And when I finish one, I just go ahead and highlight it and delete it and get it out of the way. And then the others just move up. And if the next time that I want to fill out some of this, or this, not fill out, but the next time I want to do another episode, I'll look at it. And if the first one, I'm just not feeling it, the second one, I'm not feeling it, that's okay. I'll just go down the list until there's one that I'm like, oh, you know what? I'm passionate about that. Or you know what? Something came up. I've got a story about this today. And so I'll go ahead and do that one. And then I just delete it and move on.